Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Hi guys and welcome to the beautiful town of Erchie. We are here in Costiera Amalfitana. This is an UNESCO town here in the beautiful Costiera. Right now we are in front of the main church, and from here we will walk down there, down to the beautiful beach of Erchie. So not many people they come here because the town is really small. There are few houses, but the beach is nice, large, so you can come here to enjoy a wonderful day on the beach. And then there are few houses where there are a lot of B&B and some restaurants, but a very nice and small town here, the town of Erchie. It's a bit hidden because it's from the main road. You have to drive a little bit to arrive here, so like 2 kilometers from the main road. But once you are here, it's very peaceful, very calm. There are not many tourists, and you can enjoy also here the beauty of Costiera Amalfitana. So here we are guys, me and Leo, and we will walk here in the town of Erchie. Saluta anche tu, Leo. Ciao, ciao. The town of Erchie, from here, from the church down to the beach. So here the small church of the town. Let's go inside and to see the church. Church of Santissima Annunziata. Wow, there are some frescoes, very nice, here in the church. And then from here, a few minutes and you arrive on the beach of Erchie. There is also a small bar just here, next to the church. Where you can have some coffee or some food. And look here, here you can imagine the town of Costiera Amalfitana are built. So over the cliffs here they build houses and buildings that they blend together with the nature of Costiera. And Erchie, as the other towns of Costiera Amalfitana, it's also UNESCO site. And here you see there are not big hotels, but just B&B where you can rent your apartment for staying here in Erchie. So let's walk first here and then we go to the beach. The beach is very nice here in Erchie because it's large, quiet. There are not big waves because it's like in a small natural port. And here the main area where there are the restaurants, the bars and the shops of the town. And then look here. So you see few streets here in Erchie, really few streets. Now we are in the middle of October, so it's almost closing the season. so there are not many people around, but here, look there is a tabacchi journal. Here there is a restaurant still open and a bar. Today it's a Sunday, so they are expecting some people, and I think this will be the last weekend of the season, because from next week it's starting to rain. And today, that is the 15th of August, I think it will be the last beautiful Sunday of the season. Wow, che bello, look here, look at these houses, guys. Here, very rare to have such houses in front of the beach at few meters. And here the beach, you see still a lot of people here on the beach because the weather is very warm. Today we have something around 28 degrees, but it will get warmer. And here the beautiful beach of Erchie. Wow, che bello. Look at the mountains, the cliffs over there. Nice, really nice. And here the beach, a very nice beach if you want to come, for example, with your family, with your kids, because this B&B that you can rent, this apartment, they are very close to the beach, so just walk few meters and you are inside the beach. Now they rent, for example, the beds for €5 because it's the end of the season. And look at the beach, it's a mix of sand and small rocks here in this natural bay of Erchie. Dove fai il bagnetto? Perché? And over there is the tower where in the high season they do a lot of events. There is a restaurant where you can also have dinner or lunch. A small bar there on the beach. So this is Erchie, guys, a small town here in Costiera, a small town where you can come and spend some beautiful days on the beach, because it's very quiet, not a lot of people they come here in Erchie, but the town is like I was showing to you, small, with everything you need to have a vacation here in Costiera Amalfitana. So few houses, restaurants, bars, and some B&B that you can rent for your stay here in Erchie. Ciao ciao, saluta Leo. From Erchie, ciao.